Looking to buy a house, but you got bad credit? While legitimate credit repair services can help improve your credit scores, you can do the work yourself and save lots of money. Hi, I'm Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty, and today we're discussing 10 ways to help repair your credit history. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, pull your credit report. Go to annualcreditreport.com to get your free credit report. That's right, it's totally free. Each credit reporting agency, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, will have its own detailed report on your history. Study each and look for errors. For example, if you had a debt go to collections that has been sold to other collection agencies, it should only show as one debt, not multiple. Fix any errors by writing to each agency with supporting documentation. For example, if an ex-spouse is lowering your credit score, supply all 3 agencies with a copy of your divorce decree. All right, number 2, send documentation. If you spot an error caused by identity theft, send all 3 agencies documentation that you have disputed the fraudulent account, along with affidavits attesting that they were not opened by you. And also you want to provide police reports on the crimes committed against you. This is a slow and difficult process, but you can do it. Number 3, use credit cards wisely. To rebuild your score, use your credit cards wisely and pay them on time. Your payment history accounts for right around 65% of your credit score. So it's beneficial to use your cards regularly and pay them on time each month. Number 4, pay off your accounts. A history of paid off accounts account for 15% of the score. So completely paying off a loan will help boost your score. Number 5, diversified debt. The remaining 20% of your credit score attributes to diversified debt. In other words, it's best to have more than one type of loan on your credit report. So for instance, a mortgage and a credit card will give you a higher score than just having a mortgage. All right, number 6, avoid erase scams. If a credit repair service promises to erase bad marks on your credit score, on your credit report that are genuine problems you've had, it's probably a scam. Legitimate blemishes on your report can only be removed over time by reestablishing good credit practices. Number 7, do your research. If you still think you need help with credit repair service, do your research. Look at online reviews, check with Better Business Bureau, the website for your state's attorney, general, and federal agency called Consumer Financial Protection Bureau at consumerfinance.gov. Number 8, that's it. Number 8, consolidate your debt. If you're drowning with multiple debts and got high interest credit cards, one thing I did, I went to my bank and got a debt consolidation loan. Not only was I able to lower my monthly payment, but I was able to pay it off earlier because I continued paying the same amount I was used to paying, right? So not all banks will give you these debt consolidation loans. Go to your local credit union or a local bank and start building a relationship with the bankers there, and they'll be more than likely able to help you. So number 9, that's 10. Number 9, federal student loans. If you have multiple federal student loans, contact studentloans.gov and investigate consolidation loans. So number 10, stay away from auto title or payday loans. Never resort to auto title loans or payday loans. These, it's almost predatory lending, but you get outrageous rates. And in the case of title loans, you could lose your car. One story, just a story about me. When I was in my 20s, I borrowed $100 from payday loans. And 2 weeks later, I owed $115. They got stupid high rates, and I never messed with them again. I'd rather go DoorDash instead. But anyway, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty. And I hope you found value in this. It helped you in some way, shape, or form. If so, please subscribe, hit the like button. And then also I put a link to my free download with these 10 tips. Until next time, peace. Peace.